Hey kiddos, happy Wednesday. I'm about to see some of y'all, hopefully all of you, in about 20 minutes for our Zoom call. We have some stuff to talk through, but I wanted to send this out to you this morning, and parents, if you'll just show this to your kiddos, about this week's work in Khan Academy. So Monday, I asked you to get on and join Khan Academy if you haven't already. You needed to click this link first to attach you to my class. And then this would open up the video and the practice problems. So what I wanted to show you was I'm seeing a lot of nothing. I'm seeing some people have watched the videos. I believe it was this one. That was for yesterday. But I'm seeing, and this was for Monday, but I'm seeing no one do the work. So I want you to see that I can see people. I've seen Melanie. She's watched the videos. That's great, but you haven't done the practice problems after. So make sure you go back and check those on Khan Academy. Today you're doing, or yesterday you did multiplying, and only Talia got on there. And this, Talia and Aurelia were the only ones that got on there for Miss Hudson's homeroom. And again, you didn't do the practice problems. So I know you did what you saw, so I want to make sure that you go on now and see that I've revamped it for you and make sure you get the next one. Today you're looking at dividing fractions. So you have a video and some practice problems there. So I want to see this whole thing all lit up green, showing me that you've done what you need to do. Okay, guys? I've tried to make this pretty easy getting on Khan Academy so you're not going back and forth doing other stuff. Help me out here. Do the best you can, please. I don't know who this one, Lizzie is. You might need to put your full name for me. So, thank you very much. Y'all are doing great. I know I'm working on grading. I got a bunch of grades yesterday on some stuff. So look at all that stuff that I've got to grade. So I'm going to work on that stuff today. So hopefully you'll be updated this afternoon. I'll be reaching out to some parents who I haven't seen anything from. It is Wednesday, so just catch up again. It's done by Sunday. It's all good, but I want to make sure you guys don't have to ruin your whole weekend and do work for us, because this is a grade. I've got a lot of zeros still, but I miss you guys. I love you guys. I know you're doing the best you can. Remember, reach out. I'll see some of y'all, hopefully all of y'all, in about 20 something minutes. If you guys have questions, that's a good time to call in and ask. And then also this afternoon, I'll be available 2 to 3 on Zoom. I have that set up already. Let me remind you, it's on your math homepage. I think I've reminded y'all right here, math homepage. There you go. And kiddos, don't acting silly like you don't know how to work the internet, okay, guys? You guys know how to work stuff on the internet. If you can do a TikTok, you guys can figure out Canvas. We've laid it out pretty easy for you. So make sure you're not playing your parents, and I know they're keeping an eye on you really well, but make sure you're getting that work done, because we want to keep y'all and pass y'all on to 7th grade, and not because we're not doing our work online, okay? So I'll see some of y'all soon. Let me know what questions you have. Miss you, love you. Bye.